newsroom?
A newsroom, I would say, is where news is broadcast, or news anchors or reporters are able to disseminate news to the greater public or to the general audience. So that I would say is a newsroom.
What are the different people who work in a newsroom?
The people who work in a newsroom, they are varied. We have the news anchors, the ones who read the news on a teleprompter to the people. That's news anchors. They can be two or one, depending on the segment of the news. So we have the news anchors. Number two, we have the cameramen, the ones who operate the cameras. Normally, a newsroom has 3 cameras. There's camera 1, which is the main camera. Then camera 2 and 3 are for the panning and the framing of the shots. So camera 2, camera 3, and camera 1. Camera 1 is the main camera. Then we have the teleprompter next to it. Then we have camera 1, camera 2, and 3. So at least we have the cameramen. Then we have the editors in the news. I would say we normally call it a booth. That's the media jargon. It's called a booth. The work of actually it's not an editor, it's a director. It's a director. He or she will be giving cues to the news anchor. Like for example, read this story in front of this one, read this one in front of this one. That is it. And in case of breaking news, they give direction. And also in the same booth, we have an editor. Because as stories roll on the teleprompter, he or she is able to see them and can say, don't read this story. Let's first take it down, work on it, then you can read it again. So we normally have at least 1 or 2 editors. Then we have a graphics person in the booth. A graphics person is meant to play relevant graphics in relation to story. Like for example, when you talk about post-election violence or news in terms of economics, you will see those graphs and bars run. Those are the graphics people. So yeah, we have those people in the news.
Okay. Maybe the last question is, how does a story develop from an idea to an actual story?
The development of news from an idea to an actual story is quite lengthy, but just to shorten it, we have what we call media briefings or ideas. Normally when news reporters, editors, all those people come into a newsroom, they're normally news ideas. Like, for example, maybe a column, a reader read a column in the newspaper and then respond to it, maybe give more details. That could be an issue for news, for discussion. Or maybe something is happening. Case example, last year we had the Westgate attack. So people called in, hi, this is going down, this is happening, kindly come and check it out. So in relation to that, you'll find that news